So listen and listen very carefully. You are a content creator, or you are aspiring to become a content creator, or you are on the pathway to becoming a content creator. There are 3 unique digital skills that I'll be talking about in this video that you must acquire in order to help you really succeed. Yes, you could be a content creator for Facebook, for YouTube, for Instagram, for TikTok, for X. It doesn't matter. These 3 unique digital skills I'll be talking about in this video applies to all. You understand? My experience as a YouTube content creator for the past 4 years have taught me a lot. I've learned both the hard way, the rosy way, and the stormy way. I've made a lot of mistakes along the line, and I've corrected those mistakes. And today, I can share with you 3 unique digital skills that I really took advantage of that has brought me this far as a content creator. Yes, but before I proceed, what exactly is content creation? In case you don't know, maybe you have been hearing people talking about this thing, content creation. You go online, content creators, you come in your neighborhood, content creator. What exactly is content creation? It's very simple. Plain definition, content creation is basically creating materials for an online audience, either to entertain them, to motivate them, to educate them, or to influence them. You understand? These materials are in digital format, and it could be either a video material or a written material or an audio material. One of the digital skills, in case you're interested in becoming a video content creator, you must go and learn is video creation skill. Yes, video creation skill in the sense that there are ways to make videos. There are different type of videos, and there are different type of ways to make those videos. Just like this video you are watching now, this has to do with an educational videos. The only thing that is required to make this kind of video now is just a microphone that I'm holding like this, a camera or a phone, and a ring light or a studio light. These are just what you need to make this type of content. Then you do your scripting, and everything has to do with your voice-over artistry, content presentation style. So your ability to make good video that your audience enjoy is what really sells you out as a content creator, and it's what really help people engage with you in your community and help you make money as a content creator. You must know how to make video very well. Making video very well in the sense that your audio is very okay, your filming skill is very okay, and also your framing skill is very okay. Your audio in the sense that as you're watching this video now, my audio is very clear, my audio is very audible. So you as a newbie content creator, you must always look into your audio, because your picture quality can be bad, but your audio quality shouldn't be bad. Somebody can manage to watch your bad picture quality video. That person cannot manage to listen to your poor audio quality video. So you as a content creator, the day you start, make sure you get a microphone, or make sure you film when everywhere is calm and quiet, so that your audience will hear what you are saying very well. Very essential. Then camera skill. You must know how to film, how to video, how to use camera. Like your phone and your camera is very simple. You position it on your ring, on a tripod, and you position your face and you start recording. And then framing. Take a look at this video now. Can't you see I'm at the center of this video? Yes, my face is positioned at the center of this video. Every content creator should learn that. Imagine as I'm talking now, my face is somewhere here. It doesn't make sense. Or my face is somewhere here. It doesn't make sense. So framing is one thing every content creator should master in case you want to join the business or you want to come into the game. You must learn how to frame yourself during video making. Okay, that's video creation skill. Very essential. Every content creator should learn it. Ability to record clear video, and also ability to record clear audio, and also ability to properly frame your video during recording, because it makes the video production process easier. So that's digital skill number 1, content creation skill or video creation skill. Then digital skill number 2 that anyone who is a content creator or who wants to become a content creator must master, even if you are making this content for YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or any social media platform, is video editing skill. Yes, like I always say on this channel, video editing skill is the bedrock of content creation. Every content creator is a video editor. Before you can beat your hand on your chest and say I'm a content creator, you must have mastered video editing skill very well. Because it is video editing skill that will help your badly recorded video come out good. Maybe during cinematography, during the time of filming the video, there are mistakes definitely that you want to cut off. You wouldn't want those mistakes to appear in the main or in the finished video. It is only the work of video editing that can perfect it. So video editing is the bedrock of content creation. You as a content creator, you go and learn how to edit videos very well. It will help you succeed very well. If your video editing skill is good, wow, people will watch and enjoy your content. They won't click off. What? An enjoyable video? It will help you gain trust, and it will help you build strong audience base. Do not joke with video editing skill, because video editing skill is the bedrock of content creation. Content creation is seated on top video editing. then every other thing follows. If you are not good with video editing, there is no way you can make a well-finished and enjoyable content if it is only a live stream content. So video editing skill, never you joke with it. If you want to become a content creator, the first skill you're even supposed to learn is video editing skill. Because after you mastered video editing skill, that is when creative ideas start popping up in your brain. That's the secret. That is the reason why you even need to go and learn video editing skill. It is after you might have mastered video editing skill to some level, that is when creativity ideas start popping up from your brain. Because you believe that whatever idea you have, can tweak it with your video editing skill to make it look enjoyable whenever an audience is watching that video. But if you do not have video editing skill, even if an idea pops up on your head, you will not be able to go and film it. You will not be encouraged enough to go and film it because you don't know how to make it a perfectly finished video at the end of the day. But if you have video editing skill, you won't be afraid. As I'm talking to you now, I can edit any kind of video, be it movies, be it skits, be it series, be it solo content creation like this. Any kind of video, I can edit it. I've done it over the years. So in case you're interested, you want to become a very good video editor, even if it's with your mobile phone or on computer, you can get in touch with me. We can talk. +234 81 67 85 2996. That is my WhatsApp contact line. You can get in touch with me so that I can see how we can make you a better video editor. And if you're already a very good video editor, but you haven't become a content creator yet, you are very good with video editing skill, but you don't know how to take your video editing skill into the content creation market, you can drop your comment in the comment section below so that I can also help students like you out on how you can become a content creator. Since you already have video editing skill, drop your comment in the comment section below so that I can work. So that's it. Video editing skill, very necessary. It basically has to do with trimming of fluff. Fluff are those parts of the videos you don't want. Video editing skill basically has to do with trimming of fluff, adding of text, adding of sound. Sometimes when you watch my video, you hear background music playing. It keeps your audience watching, because when they are watching your video, they are listening to some calm, sweet music. They enjoy the video the more. So it's also a way of making your audience stay on your video. Adding of sound is a part of video editing. You must learn how to add sound, and your sound shouldn't be louder than your voice. Your sound should be minimal, be it sound effects or background music. It should be at the minimal volume, while your voice should be on top. Because imagine if I'm listening to your voice now, I'm learning from you, and then another music is playing loudly in the background. I will just click off. I won't enjoy the video anymore because I'll be stressing my ear to listen to what you are saying, because the music is loudly playing at the background. So you must master how to perfectly fix in background music during video editing. And also text, making use of text. If you discover I make use of text a lot, text help you illustrate better. It helps you explain better whenever you are teaching. You understand? For example, I just say, okay, in this video, let's talk about 3 unique digital skills every content creator must master. The text will pop up. You get it? So that's just it. You must also learn how to use text very well. And then you must also know the type of video editing tools or the type of video editing app that is free for you out there, especially as a beginner content creator that don't have money to spend. We have the InShot video editing app, we have the VN video editing app, we have the EasyCut video editing app, and we have the CapCut video editing app. You can literally move over to your Google Play Store or your iOS App Store and install any of these video editing app I just listed and get started with it. You can start practicing, navigating inside, moving around inside the app and trying to know what works very best there. And also, it also has to do with input of animation, effect, and transition. I've done a lot of video editing tutorials. I'll be dropping their link in this video description below. Even video editing tutorials with InShot, even video editing tutorials with Adobe Premiere Pro. I've done a lot of those tutorials in time past. I've been here for the past 4 years teaching you guys the same thing. So I believe you might have watched those videos, or you might have come across those videos. But if not, I'll be dropping their video link in this video description below so that you can also watch those videos and master video editing before you start thinking of becoming a content creator. Yes, that's how I train my students. Some people just come, hey Daniel, I want to become a content creator. You haven't mastered video editing and you want to become a content creator. How will it work? Do you have money to be outsourcing your video editing job to a freelance video editor? I'm a freelance video editor. You can outsource your freelance video editing job to me in case you are so preoccupied you don't have time to edit your videos. I can be your video editor if you wish. +234 81 67 85 2996. That is my WhatsApp contact line. You can get it in private on WhatsApp, and you can also share your opinion or tell me what you want me to do for you in this video comment section. Then digital skill number 3 is your ability to write script writing or content writing. Yes, if you really want to stay on track, especially as a beginner content creator, you don't know how to take people back and forth, you don't know how to tie people down in your video with storytelling and all of that, It's better you master the art of script writing or content writing. Yes, but me, sometimes I don't script. Like this video you're watching, I didn't script it because I've been here. I know how this thing work. I'm good at it. Not every content creator scripts. Not all of my videos were scripted, but some were scripted. If I really want to stay on track, I don't want to go off track during recording, I'll script the video. So for you that is a beginner content creator that is still trying to build audience base, that is still new here, I will advise you script your content before shooting it so that it helps you stay on track and it saves you time and save your audience time so that you won't be blabbing at the end of the day. Very necessary. Content script writing skill is unique. So that's just it. These are the 3 unique skills you need to acquire in order to get started. Okay, imagine now you have learned how to create video. You can film very well. You center your face, the framing and everything is okay. Then you master video editing. Then you master script writing. What is the next thing? The next thing is to hit record and start recording your first video. And after you record your first video, you edit it. After you edit it, you upload it. Finish. Then you do the next thing. You repeat. You keep repeating until you start getting traction and engagement till the day you blow up. That is basically how content creation works. So that's it. In case you enjoy what you just watched, please, I urge you to subscribe. It helps for the sake of our algorithm, so that algorithm will push this video further. Like the video and share, which is the most important part of it. Share with your loved ones because they might also need this valuable information. 3 digital skills needed to get started as a content creator: video creation skill, video editing skill, and content scripting or content writing skill. You can get started with this. Okay, until we meet again in the next video, it's still Daniel Anthony. I just have to say I love you all, but for now, bye bye and peace.